How to create a Bitcoin wallet step by step. Step 1. Choose the type of Bitcoin wallet. Mobile wallet, best for everyday use, for example, Trust Wallet or Mycelium. Desktop wallet, good for managing larger amounts of Bitcoin. Examples include Exodus and Electrum. Hardware wallet, best for long-term storage and security. Example, Ledger Trezor. Web wallet, accessible from anywhere via a browser. Example, blockchain.com, Coinbase. Step 2. Download and install the wallet. For a mobile wallet, go to your smartphone's app store like Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for a trusted Bitcoin wallet app, for instance, Trust Wallet, then download and install the app. For desktop wallet, visit the official website of the wallet provider such as exodus.com. Download the wallet software that is compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. After that, install the software on your computer. For hardware wallet, purchase a hardware wallet from a trusted vendor, for example, Ledger or Trezor. Follow the instructions provided with the device to set it up. For a web wallet, visit the official website of the web wallet provider, for example, blockchain.com, then sign up for a new account. Step 3. Set up your wallet. Create a new wallet by opening the wallet app or software or by logging into your web wallet account. Then select the option to create a new wallet. The wallet will generate a 12 to 24 word seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase. Write down the seed phrase on paper and store it in a secure place. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access to your device. And hey, never share this phrase with anyone. Some wallets allow you to set an additional password for extra security. Choose a strong, unique password if this option is available. Find the receive or deposit section in your wallet. This will display your Bitcoin wallet address, a long string of letters and numbers. This address is what you'll use to receive Bitcoin. Step 4. Test your wallet. This is optional, but it's a good idea to make sure everything is working as expected. Receive a small amount of Bitcoin. If possible, send a small amount of Bitcoin to your new wallet from another source. This will allow you to confirm that your wallet is set up correctly. Check the transaction. Monitor the wallet to ensure the Bitcoin is received. This step is crucial to verify the functionality of your new wallet. Congratulations, you have successfully created a Bitcoin wallet. Now you can send, receive, and store Bitcoin securely. Well done.